Hello everyone, Kinston Henderson, Chief Empowerment Officer, Live With Life. Just want to take a moment to share a little bit with you. As you can see, it's raining outside, and there's times when people get very negative about the rain because it's raining. It's going to be a bad day because it's raining. I'm not going to be able to have a good day because it's raining. And so they complain about it. But how about switch your thinking or your perspective and take a different approach? I invite you to take a positive approach, whereas you see rain as nourishment to seeds in the ground from a physical perspective, but also from a spiritual perspective. You've planted seeds in people. You planted seeds as far as your dreams and your goals. You need water for it to flourish. You need people to connect. So that way your dreams, your goals, your ambitions can come to life. Because when the sun comes out, growth is taking place. Your harvest is coming forth. So look at rain, not in a negative way, but in a positive way. See, if you change your perspective, then you'll see the good in every situation. Yes, it may not feel good, but you'll still see some good in it. And that's what I encourage you to do, so that way you can live with life, you can live with purpose. I'm Kinston Henderson, your Chief Empowerment Officer.